The CAMECHO Motorcycle CarPlay Screen offers an easy installation process, fitting a wide range of motorcycles, scooters, and even golf carts without the need for complex wiring. Enhance your ride with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to access calls, navigation, and music while keeping your hands on the handlebars. With built-in Bluetooth, this device ensures seamless hands-free communication and entertainment, making your rides both safe and enjoyable. Designed to withstand the toughest weather conditions, the IP68 waterproof rating means you can ride confidently in rain or shine with this durable screen. The high-definition display of 1440 by 720 pixels offers excellent clarity, allowing you to mirror your smartphone for a better viewing experience on the go. Whether you're on a long journey or a short trip, the CAMECHO Motorcycle CarPlay Screen is a reliable companion, offering convenience and connectivity at your fingertips.